Andhra Pradesh is now Naidu Nadu. With a huge mandate in favor of Chandrababu Naidu, he's now on a mission to transform Andhra Pradesh, particularly the beautiful area of Amravati where I am. You can see the iconic Krishna River, the Prakasham Barrage behind me, landmarks of Vijayawada. But you're tuned into a special broadcast here on India Today. Namaskaram, I'm Akshita Nantagopal. And over the next half hour, we'll retrace the journey of Chandrababu Naidu. He's had many ups and downs. He's had many very different political stances and alliances. But what led to the stupendous victory in Andhra Pradesh? We'll decode that for you in this special.
Raja Naidu makes a mega comeback. After sweeping Andhra mandate, Naidu calls the shots in Delhi.
I'm also experienced. I have seen so many political changes in this country. We are in NDA.
From jail to Chief Minister's office. Naidu's stunning return to power. Naidu Nadu, India Today's special broadcast.
All right, let's begin this broadcast by talking about the massive mandate that Chandrababu Naidu received from the people of Andhra Pradesh. In the general election, out of the 25 seats, the Telugu Desam Party managed to bag 16 of them. Then with their allies, of course, that number goes up with the BJP and Janasena. Similarly, in the assembly elections, out of 175 seats, the TDP on its own, thanks to Chandrababu Naidu, managed to win a whopping 135 seats. A historic mandate in favor of Chandrababu Naidu. It's been a few days since the verdict came in. The celebrations also, of course, have been going on for the last many days. But let's talk about what led to Chandrababu Naidu's victory. What led to people coming out in such large numbers and voting in favor of the Telugu Desam Party.
Naidu 4.0 locked and loaded. It's been a stunning mandate in favor of Chandrababu Naidu. With the people of Andhra Pradesh choosing a bleeding yellow. Naidu has been all smiles since knowing fully well that this has been a historic verdict.
A victory lap there by Chandrababu Naidu in his car. You can see him amid a sea of TDP supporters going across, just exiting from the TDP office, and look at the crowds gathered there. Virtually impossible for his vehicle to move. And this is the kind of support and love that he's received really from TDP cadre, from the voters of Andhra Pradesh. That's resulted in the mandate that we're seeing today in the Andhra Assembly election as well as the general election.
Cutting Jagan Mohan Reddy to size, Naidu has made a comeback like never before. Seizing majority seats in both the assembly and the parliament fight in Andhra Pradesh. Jagan has been left completely stunned.
నా రాజకీయ జీవితం అంతా కూడా ప్రతిపక్షంలోనే గడిపా. ఈ 5 సంవత్సరాలు తప్ప పోరాటాలే చేశా. రాజకీయ జీవితంలో ఎవడు చూడని కష్టాలు కూడా అనుభవించా. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్ గవర్నమెంట్లోకి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళకు.
But for Chandrababu Naidu, he knows that this is a mandate to perform, to develop Andhra Pradesh and give it a long pending demand of a capital city.
Apart from special status, we don't have any differences. I got all other things done. That is a sentimental in Andhra Pradesh. That's why I deferred. But that also, this man has promised that he will get special status.
Prime Minister has promised you now?
No. That's what happens. Jagan Mohan Reddy promised to the people of Andhra Pradesh, he will get special status. What happened? Not only special status, he destroyed the development. He destroyed the future. Now it is my responsibility to protect.
Naidu now is in a commanding position in Delhi and Andhra Pradesh, and he's made it very clear that he is with the NDA.
How can we contest elections if you are not a part of NDA? Three parties combined we collected. Why you got that doubt, I don't know.
But the biggest test for him is to now steer the capital waters. With support from government at the centre, he will now have to negotiate for a financial package that will ensure Andhra Pradesh's development. With Akshita Anand Gopal, Bureau Report, India Today.
Perhaps now with Chandrababu Naidu coming to power, all set to be taking oath as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, the biggest test for him is how he's going to develop the beautiful city of Amravati, where I am. You can see that it's bountiful land with the river Krishna flowing right by it. It's an absolute green paradise. But now the question is how he'll transform Amravati into a Singapore, as Chandrababu Naidu very often has said. He's got the tag of CEO CM because of how he transformed Hyderabad into a cyber city. Remember, he served as the Chief Minister of erstwhile United Andhra Pradesh twice and always was referred to as the Development King.
Chandrababu Naidu, in his first 2 terms as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, earned the nickname of being the CEO of the state. Postgraduate in economics, Chandrababu's functioning as the Chief Minister in the late 90s was very corporate in style that relied more on performance and tangible economic growth rather than traditional vote bank politics. It was reflected in the growth of the capital city of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. It transitioned from being the Nizam city to a cyber hub of modern India with the growth of Hyderabad Information Technology and Engineering Consultancy or High-Tech City, also known as Cyberabad. Situated towards the northwestern region of Hyderabad, High-Tech City is a major high-tech business district. All thanks to Chandrababu Naidu, who impressed Bill Gates and ensured Microsoft to locate its India Development Center in Andhra Pradesh. His efforts were recognized globally, earning him several accolades, including being named South Asian of the Year by the Time magazine in 1999. Today, High-Tech City is one of the leading IT, health informatics, bioinformatics and engineering hubs of India, the foundation of which was laid in the first 2 terms of Chandrababu Naidu as the Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the decade that Chandrababu Naidu spent in the opposition bench, Andhra Pradesh was bifurcated and Telangana was born, with Hyderabad as the common capital. Post-bifurcation, when Andhra Pradesh needed to plan its new capital city, the TDP Supremo in his 3rd term proposed development of Amravati. He faced strong opposition, and when he lost power to Jagan Mohan Reddy, led YSRCP in 2019, everything stalled. In his 3rd term as the Chief Minister of bifurcated Andhra Pradesh, he also launched several programs like Smart Village, Smart Ward to transform rural Andhra Pradesh, all in continuation to his CEO-style functioning as the Chief Minister of the state. Andhra Pradesh has once again voted Chandrababu Naidu to power, hoping that he finishes the work started a decade back and lessens the gap between the rural-urban divide in the development of the state. Bureau Report, India Today.
The biggest test for Chandrababu Naidu is going to be how he actually develops Amravati. There are a lot of hopes riding on him, particularly to ensure that Amravati becomes like a Hyderabad, a cyber city, beautifully developed and whatnot. And if anyone can do it, it's Chandrababu Naidu. But finances is the big question mark, and for that Chandrababu Naidu will have to focus on getting help from the BJP, on getting help from the centre. The spotlight now is on Chandrababu Naidu. The people have given him an overwhelming mandate. Can he live up to expectations or not? Here on India Today, we'll be tracking all the big twists and turns in Andhra politics. Thanks very much for tuning in to this India Today special.